Hello friends, today I will demonstrate how to crochet this very easy newborn baby hat with beautiful texture. You will need crochet hook 5mm, 20g merino yarn needle and pair of scissors. I will start with chain 4. One, 2, 3, 4. I will close the ring and I continue with round 1. Now I chain 2 stitches, but it is not a double crochet. Yarn over and I will make 12 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will tighten the yarn to avoid a hole and I will join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. So the round 1 is ready and I have 12 double crochets and I will increase now. I continue with round 2 by making chain 2, not count as double crochet. Yarn over. I will make 2 double crochets in each stitch round. 1 double crochet in first stitch. Yarn over, double crochet into the same stitch. And I continue until the end of round 2 with 2 double crochets in each stitch. I have 24 double crochets for round 2. I'll join and continue with round 3. I'll begin the round with chain 2. I will make 2 double crochets in each odd stitch. There will be 2 double crochets and in each even stitch I will make 1 double crochet. I will continue in the same way all around. I finished the round with 1 double crochet into the last stitch. I'll join with a slip stitch. For round 3 I have 36 double crochets. Now I'll start with the sweet texture. I made chain 2, not a double crochet, yarn over, I'll skip 1 stitch and I will insert the hook into the next. I will make a double crochet, then yarn over and I will back to the skipped stitch and make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Yarn over again, then go back to the skipped stitch and make another double crochet. Keep crocheting cross double crochets until the end of the round. I'll join and voila, the round 4 is ready. I'm starting the round 5 with chain 1, not a single crochet. Then I will insert the hook into the back loop of the first stitch and I will make a single crochet. I will insert the hook into the next stitch and again I will make a single crochet, only on the back loop, so I repeat the single crochets in the back loop for each stitch round and I will join with slip stitch to the first stitch. This texture is so lovely, it is also stretchy and with a volume. The pattern is great for hats. I continue with round 6 by making chain 2 and I will repeat round 4. In every pair of stitches I will make crossed double crochets. Keep repeating the 2 rounds, round 4 and round 5, 2 more times until you reach the border of the beanie. Round 6, crossed double crochets. Round 7, 1 single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. Round 8, crossed double crochets. Round 9, 1 single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. And around 10 crossed double crochets. I start with chain 1, I skip the first stitch and I make a single crochet into the next stitch, and then I make another single crochet into the skipped stitch. I continue with single crochets. In every pair of stitches I will make crossed single crochets. Don't tighten the stitches too much to make the border more beautiful. I'll join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, that way you will stay informed and I'll be posting videos very frequently. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.